literally shows 24 hours. No sleep, no anything. My brain is not working. Literally, this doesn't look like a Kumbh Mela. There's a lot of dirt everywhere. It's so fascinating to see. Hello, hi you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're on my channel, I'm Akanksha. So I am in the car. We are just starting to go to Mahakumbh. It's literally the last day tomorrow, and we're starting like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, and we'll be there hopefully by tonight. It's showing 18 hours, like general 1200 kilometers. Plus, there's a lot of traffic there, so we are expecting at least by maximum tomorrow morning this time that we will reach. My sister is there with me obviously, and I'm going with two other friends. Good morning. My car is telling me good morning. But yeah, let's go to Mahakumbh. There are a lot of people going to come apparently, because especially it's the last day and it's Shivaratri. And from there, we are really hoping that if everything goes smoothly, we will go to Varanasi as well for the Shivga Aarti in the evening, Ganga Aarti in the evening on Shivaratri. That thing I'm very like excited to go to. So let's see how everything goes. It seems like a very long journey. I don't think I ever traveled by road this far ever, 1200 kilometers, and that too so many hours in a car. So yeah, we are literally packed. Like the dicky is completely full. My sister got both bed sheet, pillow, everything. It's in the dicky. So let's go. Yeah. It literally shows 24 hours. We started exactly at 6:30 in the morning. So let's see when we'll reach. It's been 6 hours, 7 hours, 7 hours that we started, and we reached Nagpur. Actually, quite nice distance. We stopped for like half an hour for breakfast, and now we stopped in Nagpur for lunch. It's around like almost 2 o'clock. And Haldiram's main branches are in Haldiram's branches are like started. What am I saying? Sir, it's ready. No sleep, no anything. My brain is not working. Basically, Haldiram's main thing is in Nagpur, right? So like might as well have lunch in Nagpur. So we stopped here. It was a little detour also for like 20 minutes. We were like, might as well go and have, and let's see how the taste is. Car journey, my legs are dead, everything is dead. I had like a 1 hour nap also in between. I'm trying to edit, I have so much work, so I was trying to edit while moving, but editing in a moving car, I got so dizzy, my head started spinning, my stomach started spinning, so I stopped again. But I have so much work to do, because this one we literally planned like in one day. Yesterday we thought, and today morning we started. I ordered chole kulche. Why is this kulcha like a... दिल्ली वाले कुछ आते हैं तेलुगु देशों हम मुंबई ला को अंडर को मतलब so I think orange gula संतरा बंगाली कनिपिस्तలేదు It's just sweet, has no taste. Rasmalai was much better. Being good taste is normal rasgulla la undi. All I'm doing since morning is sit in the car for hours, get down, eat. Now again it's time for lunch. Sorry, dinner. Lunch over, we stopped for snacks, and now dinner time. More than almost 500 kilometers away, Anka. 300 kilometers away to Prayagraj or the Areva. ఏమేం చేస్తున్నాం चल 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 चल. Literally, this doesn't look like a Kumbh Mela. We came somewhere little far because we had a boat setting here. The boat came from that side to this side to pick us up. 10,000 boats. 10,000 boats. Yeah, so many people. Oh my god. 8:25, successfully done with the dip and everything. We are going back and we're going to go start for Varanasi. It is there's a lot of dirt everywhere. Just have to ignore everything and then just do what you're supposed to do. We came directly, basically there are no automobiles allowed in, so after a certain area today, because especially in Shivaratri they are expecting like a lot of people, but the car guy that we had hired, like he had some setting where everybody, they were like, police was like, here the car won't go, and this guy randomly went like, sir, and then they opened the gate, and then so we could come till the end. Basically the guard, we came directly till the guard in the car only, and then in the guard also, like near the bridge he left. After that we had to like walk for 1 kilometer to come to the boat section vagera. That also we again had bikes here, so 100 rupees, 200 rupees they are getting you and dropping you off. So we took 2 bikes, 2 people on each bike, and we went. And then for boat also luckily one of our friends already had booked the boat, so we could just go join them. So they directly took us to Triveni Sangam, and then we took a dip. We changed also. There were a couple of tents. Yeah, they're like last somewhere in the back. I don't want to, I'm very tired. So they are changing tents also there only. Actually, I don't know if it is from the people here or somebody's there. It's like the Amazon tents that you have for changing, they were there. So we quickly changed our outfits also. And so cold, so cold. No one told us that it's going to be very, very cold. So literally after the dip, we were shivering like crazy because the water is so cold. Everything was like too cold. Until we changed our outfit, literally like... But yeah, done. Mahashivratri. There's a stranger in our car.
भैया एक बार हाय बोलना भैया. इधर कैमरा से हाय बोलना. तो किधर से तुम्हारा गांव बोल एक बार से मैडम को.
We got stuck on the highway, so randomly came to one village, and this guy is helping us reach the highway from the village inside.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है भाई? युवराज यादव को हमारा हेल्प करने को हाईवे में छोड़ दिया कार. क्रिकेटर था बा.
हिंदीला तेलुगु
मिक्स అన్ని మిక్సింగ్ మంచిగా సేఫ్ కెమెరా. వైల్డ్ లైఫ్ సఫారీ
युवराज
This is a new animal. What animal is this? नीलगाय. What does it do?
నువ్వు వాడినే అడుగు, నీకు మంచి హిందీలో అయితే వాడు.
ये क्या करता है भैया?
ये ऐसे चढ़ता है.
बस ऐसा दूध वगैरह कुछ देता है क्या?
नहीं, किसी का है नहीं छिका.
ओह,
इसको अगर बांधेंगे पला से नहीं मर जाए.
There was a collision or somewhere like completely packed on the highway where we were coming from, basically from Prayagraj to Varanasi. So there was this little kid that you guys just saw that randomly, okay, we just were trying to go through some other route, and there was this guy like, you know, just give him 100 rupees, he'll take you through the village like road, and then he'll drop you at the highway. And we literally took everything is so commercial, everybody wants money and everybody will get it, and they're all sweet though. Usually there are people who take money but like are very rude, but all of them are like very sweet, very hospitable. What hospitable is hospital the right word? Correct only, no? And even in the morning, the car guy who took us, we like once we came back from the Ghat, we stopped there, we freshened up, literally everything, and they were also so sweet. They gave us fresh water to kind of wash our face or do everything, and then we started from there. But so when I said thank you, he was like, I'm like, आपके लिए इतना भी नहीं कर सकते कि हम लोग, you guys came all the way and all that. So it was very sweet. But now we are on our way to Varanasi. Today is Shivaratri and we really wanted to see the Aarti, but because there'll be like massive crowd, they are not doing Aarti since a couple of days, and it won't be there today as well, it seems. But tomorrow it will be there, so tomorrow we'll see the Aarti. It's one of the things that I always wanted to be part of, the Ganga Aarti. So hopefully tomorrow, and then tomorrow only we'll go to the village. Today we are super tired. Yesterday morning 6 o'clock we started, and now it's 5 p.m. in the evening the next day, and we've literally not had a room. We are just in the car since over 40 hours now, and not 40, it's more than, not 40, 24 plus 36 hours almost, and we really are tired. Want to go take a room, rest for some time, sleep the entire night, and tomorrow morning we'll do the rest of exploring of Banaras and everything. And we are planning on going back day after tomorrow, so let's go. I'm also fasting, so I'm very hungry also, I'm very sleepy also, so I'm hangry, come this, come mix, come everything together.
Okay.
My sister is still sleeping. Natishita didn't eat anything. I at least ate fruits and all. So yeah, but quite an adventurous trip. And we don't have a room, by the way, for Varanasi. We have to go figure out which room where to take. Online, everything you know, is booked, at least the good ones. So to go figure out at least a room. Maybe I need a clean room after using all the washrooms and all the dhabas and everything everywhere. I have a lot of trauma inside me right now, and yeah. That's my great friend who's been driving since yesterday. Tandil. Hi Tandil.
How was the trip so far?
You tell me.
It was nice. It was tiring.
Yeah. I found my colleague. Reels batch. In the YouTube video is So we actually thought we'll not go anywhere, come and rest in the hotel, but because it's Shivaratri and we really wanted to go to the temple, we thought we'll go check it out. Anybody we are asking them, like, it will be too much rush, at least take 3 to 4 hours for the darshan. That is fine, but the thing is, we are very tired, and I'm not sure if I have the strength to like be awake for and stand in that rush for 3-4 hours. But we thought we'll go check it out. If not anything, there'll be some activity on the ghats because it's Shivaratri, right? Everybody will be awake. So if not for darshanam, then I thought we'll go see the ghats. So we got freshened up, took bath. This was like the best shower of my life because literally hot water. We were feeling so dirty since yesterday. Right now, like, I just feel very fresh. Want to go see, pray, and then come and sleep. And tomorrow I'm probably like, you know, do everything else. What is this? This is our hotel. Oh my god, we're not getting hotel also today. Everything is packed, everything is booked. All the hotels we're checking. Luckily we found this after like searching for like 1-2 hours. Everyone is recommending us not to go to the garden. So we just got a tuk-tuk to go to the Dashwamedha Ghat. Everybody is recommending us not to go, A, because it's completely packed. We have to walk for a certain distance, and also that a lot of people will be there and it might not be safe, especially people will be like drunk and all, so it might not be like good. But we still want to go and see what is there, and mainly everybody's like, just go have chaat and come. So we are literally we're going all rest to go have chaat. We're at this famous chaat place and there's literally like no place to move.
बास्केट चाट है,
हाँ
पापड़ी चाट है,
हाँ
खास्ता कचौड़ी,
हाँ
पल्ला पापड़ी,
हाँ
पापड़ी,
ये नहीं काम है।
ये बल्ला पापड़ी,
हाँ ये
वो वाला
ये छोला टिक्की,
हाँ
ये पालक चाट,
हाँ
ये दही टिक्की,
टमाटर चटनी है।
Chat GPT says this is famous for jalebi.
वर्ल्ड फेमस
Chat GPT was wrong. They don't even make jalebi. In the night, we are done with the darshanam also. We thought it won't be possible, but we went through. We came out. I met Niharika out of nowhere. That was like so surprising. But yeah, done with darshanam also and Shivaratri. We couldn't make it before 12, but it's still the Shivaratri and the Jagaran time. So literally look at how many people are still in lines and everything. So now my body is exhausted. I just need to go sleep. This is the next day. So we are going to have food. We're going to try some native dishes here. So we're going to have choka. There is this famous restaurant called Badi Choka which has like 14,000 reviews. So we are going there. We woke up very late because we didn't sleep for literally 2 days. So it's lunch time. We woke up. We just got like freshened up and everything, and we're going to eat. And then we are going to go see the guards and everything. Even last night we didn't eat like food, we just ate like chaat and everything, so kinda hungry. I think the place is like pretty famous because it has a lot of cultural elements. Even right here, there's like a lot of paintings. Downstairs, you guys saw, I literally tried all those. Then you can make like lassi vagera. And there's literally machines inside for like weaving of the saris and everything. So the place looks pretty like, has like a culture and like a richness to it, which is very pretty. I only made all that. This is the Bati Choka Thali. Paneer Bati. Then is Sattu Bati.
మిక్సీ కొట్టేసి చూడలేదు.
Lunch is done. Now we are at Assi Ghat. Everything we are basically just taking a tuk-tuk. We are not moving a car. It's easier because the lanes are very narrow. So, but tuk-tuk people take a lot. Generally, if it's like 10 rupees, everybody's now is like 200, 300 for everything. But we are at Assi Ghat finally. Oh my god, it's one of my bucket list things to see the Ganga Aarti, and we're going to see it. got a place on a boat right in front of the Ganga Aarti. It's for 300 rupees, so per head basically. It's like a boat. Everybody's sitting and waiting for the Ganga Aarti. I cannot wait. This is something I always wanted to watch. I'm here, and then right in front of me is the Aarti happening.
तत्सु एवं गुणगण विशेषेण विशिष्टायम् अद्वेह अमुकम् श्रीधरं राधिका राधिका माधुरं श्रीधरं राधिका
Hey, पान खाएं।
लो पान लो भाई। आपका दुकान कितने इयर्स का है? हाउ मेनी इयर्स? कितने साल हो गया? 180 इयर्स पान। वाह।
Came to another famous chaat place. Yesterday's chaat was nice. Like the tomato chaat is actually very nice, which is what is very famous here. Rest everything was nice, but like not something new that I've never had. But today also like we need one last time before we leave. Yeah, but it's still nice only. Aloo tikki, tomato chaat. Compared to yesterday's chaat, today's chaat was very average. Dina chaat was much better, but a guy there was saying tomato chaat especially it was good, is generally very good, but today it's not good. But even the other items, I felt like yesterday's one was much better. And the crowd, oh my god! Today we got to eat chura matar though, which was not there yesterday, and which is very yummy. It's made with atukulu. I don't know what you call that in Hindi. Poha type of thing, but very yummy. So I was saying Dina chaat is, I feel, according to me, better than Kashi Bandar chaat. Kashi was also nice, but Dina was better, I think. Maybe if I did not have that and then I had this, then I would have not known the difference. But comparatively, no, otherwise also Dina was better. We had so many items. Today we tried everything we didn't eat yesterday. And only chura matar I think was something I liked. Other thing, everything else, nothing was nice. Car, boat, tuk-tuk, rickshaw. Car, boat, tuk-tuk, rickshaw. Bike, car, boat. First car, bike, boat, auto also, auto. No, we did. Yeah, oh, nice. Dina chaat. Yesterday we had here only. It's actually, this one is nice. It's so fascinating to see weaving. Photo
क्या टिश्यू है?
Okay, we thought we'll start in the morning tomorrow, but my friend overexcitedly wanted to start today only. So we are going back home. That's about it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you guys in my next one.